Hi, good morning. This is One Tech TV. This is iPhone 7 Plus, and I've been receiving messages from my friends that sometimes if you are talking to somebody, your mouthpiece will come, your sound will go off, and it will be there and it will come back again. But I have encountered it myself. Let's check it out. If you open the phone, if you go to music, you play, everything works fine with the speakers, but iPhone 7 Plus. If you go and you call somebody, let's say 100, let's check it out and see. The call center has picked up, but the loudspeaker is not coming. If you listen to this, it doesn't work. Mouthpiece don't work. I don't know what exactly is wrong with it, but doing my researches and everything, it is telling me the sound card or the sound IC on the motherboard is the one causing that problem. But to be frank, how can this happen? Because everything has been sealed and fixed with high-tech machines from the company. So how can this happen? Just want to check it out and see, because I have receiving messages from my friends that iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus are causing those problems. And doing my researches and checking online, it seems it is true, because my face is not working. If you play music, it will come perfect. So the only solution that can fix this problem is going to change the sound IC, and the probability that the problem will come back again is like high. So no much wasting of money, you have to just change the phone. And if you are going to lower phones, just go for like 8 or 8 plus, because iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus are causing much problems with the sound IC on the motherboard. So it I'm just giving you a tip off so that you might not make the mistake people are making, and I have encountered the same problem. So thank you for watching, and beware of iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus sound IC. Bye.